Connected to my live stream on YouTube. What's up, YouTubers? What's up, Zoomers? What's up, everybody on this platform? You're watching this. Go ahead and drop a 1 wherever you are. Let me drop a 1 wherever you are. Let me see that you're watching this live. If this is the replay for you, go ahead and just drop a 2 so that I know that you're here, you're present, you're catching this. The biggest thing for me right now is we got some things we want to talk about. I don't want to hold back. I don't want to wait. I want to get this information to you right now. So what I want to do without taking more of your time is I'm gonna jump straight into it. So for those that don't know me, if you're watching this for the first time, you never heard of me, my name's Toots Filiano, better known as Jamar Johnson, where we're talking business. And in this video right now, we're gonna talk about smart cryptocurrency. If you don't know what cryptocurrency is, I want to give you the definition. I'm gonna bring it up so you can know what the word is, because it's bigger than the word. But let me go ahead and let me bring my Google up, right? So we can go ahead and get the exact definition for you, because if there's anything that I am, I'm just a messenger, right? Nobody's smarter than anybody. People just learn things before others. And for myself, for my sake, hold on, let me bring that up. Share my screen. There it is. Screen 1. Boom. All right, so you're seeing my screen right now. I hope you're seeing my screen. Hold on, let me make sure. Am I sharing my screen? I think I'm sharing it. Hold on. All right, there it is. My screen is being shared right now. So you can see both. All right. So cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is a digital currency that can be used to buy goods and services, but uses an online ledger with strong cryptography to secure online transactions. Much of the interest in these unregulated currencies is to trade for profit, with speculators at times driving prices skyward. So in layman's terms, this is a digital currency, which we all have it, because if you got a credit card or a debit card, you don't physically have, the dollar, you don't have that asset or that currency. It's digitally. It's encrypted up somewhere. It's with a bank where the bank controls all of it. They're just leasing or at least loaning you your money, you know what I mean? But it's somewhere digitally. So cryptocurrency is digital currency that can be used to buy goods or services. So everyday things that we're using to spend our money on it. I like to pull up some of these ways you can spend it, because I know a lot of people are like, well, wait, isn't that just Bitcoin? And I have to have a lot of money to get into it. No, things you're doing every single day uses cryptocurrency. You are participating in cryptocurrency right now, whether you know it or not. There's platforms like, I'll go ahead and click on it. Actually, no, I won't click on it. I'll log into our platform and I'll show you the ways we're using cryptocurrency. But if you haven't been under a rock, you've heard about Bitcoin. You heard about Ethereum. Matter of fact, let's just pull it up. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let me go ahead and pull it up on my chart so you can see. Let me make sure that you guys are able to see that. Stop sharing for a second. See me. Flip my screen down 1 second. Bring this up. Screen share. Screen 1. Which is this one. Okay. All right, sharing screen 1 so you guys can see. Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is at $39,000. There was a time when we were telling people about this, and Bitcoin was at $13,000. Bitcoin was at $15,000. Let me bring up the full chart so you can see this. There was a time. We're since then past those times, ladies and gentlemen. We are looking at Bitcoin to be at $50,000. Even some are saying $100,000 a coin. Look at this right here. You look right now, what you're witnessing are monthly candles. Let me go ahead and delete my markup so you guys don't get confused at what we have going on here. Let me get that out of there for you. Delete that. I'll delete that too. So looking at Bitcoin, these are monthly candles. This is the month of January. So Bitcoin has been shooting up. It started off at around 27,000 and even peaked at 41,000. The month before that, December, 17,000 all the way up to 29,000. The month after that, or before that, in November, is at 13,000. This is where we were telling people to get in. Why? Because we were able to look left. We were able to see where price was before in the past and know that it was testing a probable line for either to be a ceiling or a floor. In this case, it was the ceiling. We knew it was going to break the ceiling, right? So a lot of people just think that cryptocurrency is just Bitcoin. Well, I'm here to tell you today that it is so much bigger than Bitcoin. Now, granted, there ain't nothing bad with 111% gain. Now, we talking stocks, which is $1 billion industry. You know, crypto and foreign exchange is $1 trillion a day moving in this market. So if you're somebody that's just learning about it, you may not have the money you want to get involved with this, right? So you may not be ready for these types of games, but you don't have to be, because let me show you, there's other cryptocurrencies that you can get involved in that are moving. May not be moving as high as Bitcoin, but they're moving just like Bitcoin. Some of us like to think of Bitcoin as a savings account, right? It's more of a long-term type of holding transaction. But there's currencies right now, ladies and gentlemen, that are moving just like Bitcoin. Let me see if I can go over here and show you. Actually, it may be a better way for me to get this, because this is just my screener. So let me go into let me go this way. Go into crypto right there. Let me tap on this. Pull up crypto. And then markets, cryptocurrencies, boom. And then we'll go into prices. Let's look at it this way. So right now, we're looking at Bitcoin. We see it right now. It moved about 16% 0.16% is involved in it. Now let's go over the ideas. I don't think you guys are really, for somebody that's looking at this for the first time, that may be a little bit much performance. There we go. Wait for this to load up. Oops. Back. While we're working on this, getting it set up, you know, this channel, this session is to help you to make smart decisions with cryptocurrency. Now, I know some people are out there that are like, look, I don't want to invest. I just want to be able to trade, right? So you can actually trade these currencies. And then there's people that are like, I don't even want to trade. I just want to put other people on. And, you know, the information that you'll get from these sessions will arm you with the experience, the tools, everything you need to dominate the crypto world. And here's some examples of other cryptocurrencies. There's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, Tether, Ripple, you guys heard about it, Litecoin, Cardano, Chainlink, Stellar. These are all cryptocurrencies that have real people behind them, that have real people invested in them, that are moving insanely in the market. Now, for those that have never invested, back in the day, stock market, stock brokers used to excite you. Your grandparents and parents used to get excited about a 5% or 10% gain on their money in a year. In a year. Some people would be excited about 10% gain in a year. Well, these currencies are moving, some are moving 10, 20% in a day. In a day. In a day. So it's really up to you. There's hundreds of thousands of cryptocurrencies. So the power is here. The tools are here. Let me just show you some things that you can do with cryptocurrency. Let me bring up, see if our app can open up. Hopefully it'll let me log in. Yeah, let me log in. I'm going to jump right into it. Oh, unexpected. Let's bring that back up again. Okay, boom. All right. So if you're watching this, you're probably already a part of Smart Systems. If you're not, you need to get a part of Smart Systems, because everything you need is right here for you. I'm going to click on Smart Crypto. And now you're seeing, not only do we give you education about crypto, we give you a 90-day blueprint on things you can do to start earning in crypto right now, whether it be buying crypto or whether it be earning crypto through doing things, right? We also show you where you can find crypto, because a lot of people are like, hey, man, look, I heard about that, but where can I cash out? Can I get my money? Ladies and gentlemen, there's ATMs. Just like the regular ATM, you go pull money out at your bank. You can go buy and sell crypto at ATMs. You don't even need to do this thing online. It shows you're seeing where I am right now. I can click here and go to this location. It tells me the different type of cryptocurrency I can buy and sell. So you just type in your address. It'll find you, and it'll show you cryptocurrency that's nearby. If you're somebody that's looking for ways to do things you're already doing right now and earning crypto, you can buy food like Grubhub, Uber Eats, all of that good stuff. You can put your address in right now. It's great. Track my address, and it's great. Show me all the places I can order from right now using cryptocurrency. So there's places, food places, I love Touchdown Wings. Shout out to them. There's places where you can go right now and use your cryptocurrency to eat. Look, there's different locations. There's all of the places you can go. So food is one thing. Then after that, I'm sure you want to shop, right? You like buying things. Check this out. There's an app that even rewards you cash back in cryptocurrency. You can earn Bitcoin every time you shop. God, I mean, look, who doesn't wear Nike? Who doesn't go on Groupon? Who doesn't travel with Priceline? Who doesn't shop on eBay? Who doesn't use Postmates for deliveries or Microsoft? So all you do, once you add this to your desktop or even on the app, you shop and you earn money. It's so easy to do. Like, you go to your websites, you go to the sites you're normally going to, a little thing will pop up like, hey, you can earn. Let me see if I can show you an example of that really quick. I think GoDaddy's even one too. Let me try Priceline. Let me see if Priceline pops up with my Lolly app. So you can see that these are things that we're doing anyway, right? Places that we already have to go to that we're now able to get money back when we shop here. When we look, there it is, activate, up to 5% back in Bitcoin. So I'm earning Bitcoin by doing things I already had to do anyway. I already had to book this trip. I had to book this flight, but now I'm going to activate this, and I'm going to get my 5% back in Bitcoin. Guys, tell me, where can you go? Where can you go? Spend money, and they say, hey, you know what? We're going to give you money back for doing this. So, and they even, actually, you can even earn by just being a partner with them, right? I didn't even know this. This is crazy. You get Bitcoins every time for just sharing. So you can shop, you can eat, right? You can even book flights. Now, I showed you Priceline, but then there's platforms like Alternative Airlines where you can shop straight in crypto. Find flights all over the place. There's 600 plus airlines, 160 different currencies you can utilize. So the power is relentless. But then you can go for hotels. So now here I am on a hotel, and I'm showing you guys where you can get paid for booking your first hotel, but you can use cryptocurrency to shop and travel. Then you can earn rewards. So let's say you're somebody that's like, look, man, I don't even have any money right now. I can't shop. I can't buy no food. I can't spend. I just need to earn crypto. There's even sites like this right here that helps you earn in 10 different cryptocurrencies. You can earn Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dash, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, USD Coin. So how does it work? Shop online, play games, try products, or even share your opinions. Earn rewards when you shop or complete a task. Redeem rewards for crypto directly into your wallet. You can even refer people when you get $2 of free crypto. So I don't know, what you're doing or what you have going on in the world, but if you're somebody that doesn't really have a lot of income and you're looking to get involved in cryptocurrency, you can come here to start earning crypto just by doing tasks. And then we have places where we show you where you can get wallets. One of the best things about it is if you're looking for more education about crypto, you can click here. We can go over. But more importantly, you can click on bank. This is why I'm blown away. This is why I'm ecstatic, because the most important thing to me, I don't want to say to everybody, to me, has been the crypto banks. And let me open up a different page. Let me go to the blueprint because it's sitting right there perfectly for you. So the 90-day blueprint breaks down everything you need to know about crypto. It explains why it's important. It explains how to earn it. But what I'm going to talk about is crypto banks, because a lot of people don't know about cryptocurrency banks. A lot of people don't know that you can get compound interest. Yeah, I'll say it again. For those who know who Albert Einstein is, the genius, eighth wonder of the world, he said, he who understands it earns it, and he who doesn't pays it. He was talking about compound interest. He was talking about tools like this, cryptocurrency, where you can take your dollar, send it somewhere, or put it somewhere, and then it earns interest for you. Now, I know most of us probably have bank accounts. I don't say us, most of you, most of us, we're all one. Most of us have bank accounts, right? So most of us are earning not even 1% a year on our money. If you leave your money sitting in a savings account, that's saying, hey, yeah, we'll give you 1%. So you'll be lucky if your 1,000 turns to 1,010 just sitting there for a year. But if it was in cryptocurrency, you can earn interest every single day, up to 3%. And I want to help you earn it. I want to show you. Show you better than I can tell you. Let me go ahead and click on Nexo. And the video is not there, but I want to go ahead and open it up anyway. Let's click on Use Nexo so you can see this link pop up. And that's for crypto. Let me just go to the site, nexo.io. All this information, guys, if you aren't already plugged into smart systems, once you plug in, you click a link, all of this stuff is right here for you. But I'm going to open up a crypto bank. I'm going to show you how powerful these things are. Like I said, they're using Bank of America, right? You're only getting 1% on your money. Imagine if you came somewhere where you can earn 12% paid out daily. And then if you needed to borrow money, you ever needed to borrow money, you don't need to go get a loan or a credit card that charges you 12 to 18% interest. You can borrow from your crypto for less than 6%. So let's say you got $10,000 worth of Bitcoin, which is smart because you know it's going to keep growing, right? So it continues to go. Let's say you need to get some money back. No need to sell that cryptocurrency. You can actually take out a loan on your cryptocurrency. You can leave it there safely in a place that has $100 million of insurance to back it, to protect it, so you don't lose. A lot of people are saying, oh, man, it's a coin, that thing isn't safe. I don't want to put my stuff there. I don't know what's going to happen, right? A lot of people are making statements like that. But here, it's backed by $100 million. Even your Bank of America only gives you $150K. The FDIC only insures you up to $150,000. Here you're insured up to $100 million. So let's say you got $10,000. You need some money. You can borrow, let's say you need $5,000. You can go borrow $5,000. This bank will give you $5,000, send it right to your bank for you. You go use that $5,000 however you need, right? And then when it's time to pay back, you just have to pay back what you owe plus 5.9%, which is the lowest interest rate you'll ever see from any company that wants to loan you something, right? Most people want to make money off of you. This bank is literally saying, we'll hold your money, we'll give you money, and pay us back whenever you can, right? Pay us back whenever you can. So this is just one. This is just one bank. I'll show you another one really quick. Another one that I really like. I use this one often. It used to be called Bank of Highlands, but they changed their name to Vault. Here's another one where you can put your money into this bank and you can earn interest on your crypto, get paid out weekly, withdraw anytime. There's that word I said, compound interest. Interest earned is compounded every week. So you can earn your money, instead of sitting in the savings account, just sitting there. It can go to work for you and earn more money for you. Who doesn't want to make more money on their money? I don't think nobody would raise their hand and say, hey, I don't want to make more money. Matter of fact, I like going to work for my money. I don't want to make my money go to work for me and make more for me. I don't think there's anybody on this planet that wants that. Here's some of the rates. Look, you can earn 7% on your Bitcoin. You can earn 7% on your Ethereum. You can earn 4% on your Ripple. You can earn 11% on your USD coin. So there's so many ways for you to start earning. And then when you earn, you can borrow against your token so you never lose the cryptocurrency. I know there's a lot of people that are out there selling, they're trading, buying, selling. If you're thinking about short-term money, of course, buying and selling is the way to go. You buy low, sell high. But if somebody's thinking longevity, then you definitely want a crypto bank because not only is your money sitting safely, is it protected, but it's also earning daily interest for you. That's paid out every single week. How many of you would love to live off of interest, right? That means you made money, you put it somewhere, that money went to work for you, and instead of you spending that money, you're spending the money that your money made for you. Let me say it again. Instead of you spending your money, you put your money somewhere that makes you more money, and then you use that money that you made from your initial money, right, the interest you earn from that, to spend and buy things in this world, to go and shop. And then when you earn more Bitcoin, so you spend the interest, then you get money back that you can put back. I mean, I'd be here forever if I really went into detail on how powerful crypto is, but I'm on here literally to show you guys. I want to show you how you can be smart cryptocurrency investors, smart cryptocurrency owners, traders. And without doing too much, there's even things called smart contracts, which is like digital real estate, which is, let's say you buy some cryptocurrency. Let's say you buy some Ether or Tron or Bitcoin, right? And you invest, you buy it through one of these smart contracts, which happens on the blockchain. Now you're able to earn that currency over and over and over and over again. And actually, I'll show you one of my platforms. I can show you better than I can tell you. There's platforms like this where this was one of our first platforms. And actually, this is mine. This is one of my accounts, right? So you'll see that I told 14 people, I helped 14 people open cryptocurrency wallets. I helped 14 people get involved in Ethereum. I showed them how to create a wallet, how they could earn, and then in result, I was able to earn $75,000. $75,000. And all I did was get my Ethereum and open up what we call digital real estate. So I spent 0.025 Ethereum. Then I spent so I spent about maybe, looks like 6 Ethereum on that one to earn more back. But you'll see that here's the income that I was able to earn. I earned 29 Ethereum. So there's ways for you to earn with interest using banks, but then there's ways for you to earn with smart contracts. You can take your cryptocurrency, put it into a smart contract, and depending on your team, depending on who you're involved with, right, depending on the transactions that are happening on your blockchain and your network, you can earn that Ethereum back. So what I did was I started off in smart contracts. I took my little bit of money, I bought Ethereum, I put it into a smart contract, I told others about it. My Ethereum grew, I made more. Then I took that money that I grew, instead of just trying to put my little small amount, I used a smart contract, and then I put that money into a crypto bank. The crypto bank from there stored, saved my money, but then I started earning interest on it. So it's been a domino effect, right? I've been earning the whole way through. And the good thing about smart contracts is they never close. You can't shut them down. There's no human being over top of it. There's no CEO that says, all right, you know what, we're just going to shut this thing down and it's done, it's good. You'll see right here, there's 866 million people involved. So that's how much they've earned. Let's see how many all participants. There's 1 million people that are using this one platform alone. Now, this is just one platform. There's tons of other platforms that are out there working. So if you're somebody that's looking to get involved with cryptocurrency, I'm going to tell you, of course you can invest. Yeah, we have tools where we can actually show you, go back to me, we can teach you how to trade it, right? We teach you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency. We give you all of the information. That would be right here in our foreign exchange, right? Forex. So we teach you how to trade cryptocurrency, but we also teach you how to earn cryptocurrency, and we teach you how to invest cryptocurrency. So everything you need is right here. And if you're somebody that's like, look, man, I don't even have time. We even have robots that can do the trading for you, hands-free. You don't even have to touch it. It'll do everything for you. So this video right here was just for me to reach out, because the sessions that we're doing are going to be more so training. We're going to be training you guys on how to utilize these tools, how to dive into smart crypto and really open up each and every one of these. Because like I said, you can click on the education and you can see where it goes. We have partner programs. I can click on free education. One of the tools that we really like using right here is a company that teaches you everything, blockchain and crypto. Your one-stop guide to all things crypto. So if you're somebody that wants to learn about Bitcoin, here's a video that breaks it down for you, right? Here's a video that talks about Tesla, some other cryptocurrencies, and lets you know all about them. And then here you can even click this button here where it says start here, and it'll walk you through 17 different languages. It'll teach you about crypto, about blockchain, about trading, about investing. And earlier we spoke about what cryptocurrency was. And here it is. Cryptocurrency is just like a digital form of cash. So it breaks down everything. Why do they call it cryptocurrency? All of the questions you may ask, it has the answers right here. So inside of our community, we arm you with everything you need to know about cryptocurrency, everything you need to know about the blockchain, how to use it, how to get involved in it. There's free blockchain knowledge, how to really set yourself up, because essentially you could be your own bank. Now you don't have to worry about Visa. Now you don't have to worry about PayPal. You can send money directly. This has been the biggest thing for remittance. Think about what's the platform that we used to use? Western Union. You have to send money to somebody. You're spending hundreds to essentially thousands of dollars to send money overseas. Well, now with digital currency, cryptocurrency, we're able to do that in fractions of a second for pennies on a dollar. So if you're wanting to know about crypto investing, we have education here, right? We have the tools for you to start earning with cryptocurrency right off the rip. We have a blueprint that shows you how to start earning cryptocurrency. We even have places for you where you can go buy and sell cryptocurrency. It's really up to you. Now, another thing I like to add about our community, not only do we arm you with the tools and stuff, but we also give you benefits. We also give you discounts. We also give you ways for you to use that money, right? Save your money and save your cryptocurrency and leverage what we have. We have healthcare clubs. We have ways to lower your bills. We have our own travel portal. So if you've never been plugged into our community, smartsystems.club, you need to reach out to somebody. It is a member-to-member community, so that what that means is you can't get access unless somebody invited you. If you're watching this video on one of the platforms that we have this on right now that's streaming live, I think we're on YouTube, Zoom, I think we're on Facebook, I think we're even on Instagram Live. So if you're watching this, whoever invited you to this, if you haven't been plugged in already, or if you're already in our community, then you know what to do. But if you haven't been plugged in, reach out to somebody that's a Smart Club member. If you haven't reached out to somebody, you don't know somebody, you're watching this for the first time, reach out to me. I'll show you how to get plugged in, and then we'll take it from there, because the community has everything you need. We even have a chat, guys. Like, our chat room is amazing. You come here, you can get information, you can learn all about the skills. How do we access Builderall? We want to create a logo. There's questions people ask all day long. I need to follow up with that. But we have a community for people. So if you're somebody that's just starting off, a lot of this is going to be foreign to you. The good thing about it is you're not by yourself. You have people that are already involved, already doing this inside of our community, so you can ask questions and get answers. If you're somebody that's already been an avid of cryptocurrency, you just want to make more, right? You just want to learn the ways you can really bring it all together to make more. Plug into our community, right? Help be a leader, help pass the word out, and help build your income that way. But if you're somebody that's, look, behind the scenes, you don't really want to deal with people, you just want to invest, which is one of my biggest things, is I want to find a way to make money without talking to somebody. You can take what we have right here in this platform. You can take this information. You can come into Smart Crypto. You can plug in. You can use this information. You can create life-changing income. Now, the last thing I want to lead you off with, a lot of people are talking about taxes. People are scared. Now, I'm going to be real. I'm going to be real. You can look. I know this is live. This may be here years later, and hope this doesn't come back to bite me in the butt. But some people were scared. They're like, oh, man, they're saying you got to file taxes. Well, yeah, maybe on a U.S. dollar, but you tell me how you're going to get somebody in Ghana, somebody in Kuwait, somebody in this other country who's not in America to file taxes. So if they don't have to file taxes on the currency, why should we? I mean, some people are voluntarily submitting their information, but there's no way that the government in the U.S., well, I don't say no way because they're working on it. Ways like Coinbase, there are some platforms that are tracking you, but there's no way overall everybody can be tracked. But if you wanted to play it safe, there's even ways for you to get your taxes for cryptocurrency. So that means if you're buying, you're trading, your whole trading activity can be tracked for you and submitted to your CB or whoever does your taxes for you. So everything you need to know about cryptocurrency is here. If you haven't been plugged in, get plugged in. If you haven't got cryptocurrency, let's just pull it up again. Get cryptocurrency. You'll see what it's doing. You'll see it's at 39,000. Let's look at Ethereum real quick. You'll see what Ethereum is doing. I'll pull up another currency that we're using mainly because, we're using it with smart contracts. But you'll see what Ethereum is doing. Peaked at $13.53. It's now sitting at $1,200. Guys, we were talking about Ethereum. If you watch previous videos of mine, when it was down to $130. Back in March, we were talking about this. It was $114. Imagine if you spent $114 to get an Ethereum token. Your $114 would now be $1,200 just by letting it do its thing. So you're seeing the power here, right? This isn't something that you need to be sold on. This isn't something. Now I know for all those that watch Meek Mills talk about, hey, buy. You definitely want to do your due diligence. You definitely want to get with somebody that knows what they're doing, with cryptocurrency, because it's very volatile. It moves hard and moves fast. If you're somebody that buys up here and it goes down a few thousand, you blow your account, right? So you want to know when to get in, when to get out. And that's the best thing about our community is we know, because we're active traders, right? We knew to buy at the time when it was time to buy, and we knew when it's time to sell. So we knew we were buying down here back in January on the 13th. And for those that are looking for sales, we know that right here, honestly, I wouldn't sell Ethereum at all. I think it's still going to go. But if you're short-term traders, when some people are just looking to get in and get out, we see everything. Everything is right here for us. Let me pull up Tron real quick, because I know a lot of people wanted to see Tron and Ripple. The same thing is happening with Tron. Tron is blowing up because a lot of people are getting invested in it. A lot of people are learning about Tron, and they're seeing how powerful it is. Now, originally, it was already up. But what goes up must come down and vice versa. So Tron came back down for, honestly, a good place for people to get involved in. I really believe that anywhere between 17 to 20 cents, if you're able to buy this coin, you'll see it go back up to where it was before, which was almost 9 cents, right? It almost went up to 9 cents. So now you're able to take your 2 pennies and double your 2 pennies. And there's a book that I like to talk and I like to, put people on. So The Richest Man in Babylon. The Richest Man in Babylon talked about the richest man of Babylon and how he got there. And he did it by compounding gold. Took 1 piece of gold and he lived it out. Then he had 2 pieces of gold. Then he lived out the 2. Then he had 4 and then 8. Compound interest, right? So this is compound interest all in itself. Your 2 cents can turn to 4. And if you got thousands of dollars invested into Tron, your thousands of dollars, which you bought in at 2 cents, once that turns to 4, now you have double your thousands and thousands of dollars, right? So let's talk about Ripple. I know some people have been saying, "Oh my gosh, they're getting rid of Ripple, right? Oh my, everybody's running because they think this thing is done." Well, what you'll see is that Ripple had a very strong run. It came back down, and if you look again, what it looks like to me is it's just another place for you to get an entry. So if you're looking at the bottom, you see that Ripple came all the way down to like 18 cents. Actually 12 cents, I believe. So now you're looking at it and it's turning back around. So this is just another place for people to buy in. So like I said, some of this stuff may be foreign to you. And without giving too much detail, without overwhelming you with information overload, I just wanted to share with you guys a few ways that you can earn cryptocurrency, smart crypto. Ways for you to get involved right now. Whether you got $10, if you got Cash App, you can go into Cash App and buy a Bitcoin right now. I wouldn't say buy Bitcoin right now because it's at a very high peak. You wanted to wait for it to come down, which if you're plugged into a community, you'll know when to buy Bitcoin. But for these other currencies, you can invest in right now. And if you're somebody that is wary about investing, why don't you just earn Bitcoin? Why don't you just earn crypto? Things you're doing every day anyway. You're shopping, right? Let that crypto add up and then put that crypto in a crypto bank and earn interest free. You're going on flights, right? You're traveling. You're buying food. You're doing these types of things every single day. Earn cryptocurrency. And then as that cryptocurrency goes up, so does your income. Then when you put it into a crypto bank, now you're able to borrow that crypto, whatever you want, right? Plus it's going up and you're getting paid daily interest. So I wanted to keep this short and simple. I didn't want to, go into too much detail because like I said, we have a community, Smart Systems Club. It's easy to find at smartsystems.club. Definitely get back with somebody who's plugged into the community so they can plug you in so you can learn more about cryptocurrency. So you can learn more about the ways you can earn like our members. We have members that are just getting started and they're creating income claims. I don't say income claims because I want to make a disclaimer. Past profits don't guarantee future profits. It does take risk, right? Do not risk any money that you are not willing to lose. So don't put your last $5 in it and it goes away and then you're ready to jump off the bridge, which I don't condone that anyway, right? But there's risk involved and you have to be ready for it. It's very, very, very volatile. But if you want to take a safe approach, buy some crypto, put it in the crypto bank. Earn interest off of it, right? If your money's sitting in a savings account, it's not going to work for you. Put your money to work for you. If you're somebody that's really, really serious about cryptocurrency, you can get in on a day-to-day basis. You can start doing things that we are doing like buying and trading cryptocurrencies, right? So you can start to earn compound interest daily. But outside of that, guys, there's so many more things I can go over, so many more things I can talk to you about cryptocurrency. But our videos, we want to keep around 30 minutes just so you guys get the idea about what smart crypto is all about. And if you have any questions, feel free to add them in the comments. Post them right below here or over there, wherever the link is. Post the comments. Like this, please make sure you like. Please subscribe. Please let us know that what we're doing is informative. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. If you're in our Smart Systems Club community, please join our chat room, right? Put your comments there. Ask your questions. Get your questions answered because we want everybody. Our goal is to have 1 million people with generational wealth created through cryptocurrency. And there's already thousands of people using cryptocurrency. The only question you have to ask yourself is, will you be one of them? Will you be the next person that creates that success story? Not even you, will your family, right? Maybe you're good. Maybe you're set. Maybe you have all the money you want. But what's that say about your family? Is your family straight? If they're not, then you have to get involved with cryptocurrency. Visa already know about it. That's why Visa has made their patent for a crypto token. JP Morgan has already made the JP Morgan coin. They already know about cryptocurrencies. The banks, right, follow smart money. That's why we did smart crypto, because it's based off of working smarter, not harder. The smart money follows the trend, and that's what we're doing right now. The banks have given us the biggest indicator. Cash App bought bunch, millions of dollars of Bitcoin. PayPal bought $50 million in cryptocurrency so it can have cryptocurrency on its platform. So it's not like it's something new, foreign. The only thing is you have to get involved. With that being said, I hope this video was informative. I hope you got some knowledge. I hope you learned something. If you have, please, man, show me that you learned something. Leave a comment, send a message, tell a friend. And after that, I'll see you guys at the beaches or the bay. My name's Sus Filiano, better known as Jamar Johnson when we're talking business. And I'm one of the founding members here with Smart Systems, and I am inviting you to work smarter, not harder. Peace.